Hi everybody, we're back, and you know what? We're all dried with, what were these? Color Burst. Today is the day after we created these things, and I wanted to come back and show you guys. Plus I told you guys that I would come back and show you what they ended up looking like dry. Now, they're not as bright. They're really not as bright. This one here is the one that the one that's on the thickest canvas. It's pretty, but it's not completely satisfying to me, so I want to redo some pieces here. This one is definitely let me down a lot. This is the second one we did where we put a lot of black. I don't like it at all. So what I want to do is wet it and take a lot of it away, especially the black. See how pretty it is wet? But I want to remove a lot of that black. I want to leave that. But I also know that if I add some varnish, it'll come right back, so. But I want a lot of the black to be gone. Let me remove my chair. I'm going to be standing so that we can move around. So, let me drip some of that off. Okay. Did I say that if we add varnish, we can bring it really nice and bright? So definitely something I want to do. I'm going to let it drip onto the other one also. Alright, that's pretty. Let's throw some more of this red in here. Crimson, I think is what it is. And again, I'm going to open up. And we're here, a busy daytime right now. I'm in the middle of washing. Housework and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let me drip some red onto this one. So we'll grab what's on this one down here and drip. I think that's gorgeous the way that is right there. And this one here too. So, what do I want to do? I want to drip. I want to throw some more purple on that other one. Some violet. Got screaming neighbor kids. bursting all on its own over there. Dark brown, crimson. I want some purple, some more of that green. Russian blue, we had a lot of that. Black, white, brilliant red, gray, lemon, blue, turquoise. Man, those kids do have a major lungs on them, don't they? Which green is this? I'm not sure. Let me test it. It's a really thick green. Oh, that's not green, that's turquoise. Okay, that's really pretty. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. Are you guys close enough? So this time, I will be varnishing the piece. And then we'll see it coming up. Oh, that's so pretty right there. These are very addicting and wild and unruly. Like, you just don't know what you're going to get from them. And I find that extraordinary, amazing. I want some of that pigments, those pigments to burst, basically. Okay, I'm going to leave this alone, and then we'll come back. The other one over here is looking really nice, too. See that? Oh, look at that right there. Just gorgeous. So very pretty. I want that red to move just a bit. So very pretty. I wish my camera would tell me how long I've been recording for. What to do, what to do. I think we're just going to leave it like this. And like I said, let me go grab the varnish. This is high gloss. Okay, so since this is an active ingredient where the pigments, if you put any kind of varnish and you brush on top, it's definitely going to move. You can't do that. So what I would do is just take it outside, in the backyard, front yard, wherever, ventilation. Go outside, get my Deco Art Americana acrylic sealer. I like the high gloss one, me personally. Any sealer you can get your hands on. Take it outside and go gently and lightly all over, little by little by little. The pigments won't move as long as you take your time, and then all of this vibrancy will come right back up. This is beautiful. Yes, I'm glad that I came back to do this. I really, really, really am loving the way they look now. Really am. Like, I can't even pick a favorite. Can you imagine having a side table, coffee table? It's possible to have something like that there. Probably by gessoing a piece of wood, right? I think I might take that up this summer and gesso a piece of wood. Oh, I just got red ink all over my nose. Oh, okay, so I think that my creative juices have come back, and I most likely will be uploading at least once. I'm really pushing for twice a week, but I know for a fact once a week. And I know that I'll be recording even more when I have this whole room to myself, and it's when it's more private. Okay, I'm loving this. I think that once I put the sealer finish on top of it, then I will put some gold, maybe like a gold mandala would look really pretty in there, or just as is, maybe some gold dots, white gold silver dots in there. I think would look really pretty. Also, if I wanted to, I can spray some starch over it and sprinkle some glitter. That would look nice too. I love the way it looks. Really, really do. Let's see this one here. And then there's this one here. Let's watch it come down. Isn't that pretty? It's like a wash of color. It's actually moving. I don't know if you guys can tell. Up here. It's veining down. You see all of that blue right there? It'll vein down. Look how cool. Very pretty. Okay. That'd be a really nice background. This one here for an owl. Oop, I almost dropped it. You don't have to stop here. You can use all kinds of stuff. You can use some alcohol on that. You can use all sorts of stuff. Mix up your mediums. I guess that'll be all for today, and I will be back. I'm not going to leave you guys high and dry. And thanks to all of those that have messaged me and asked me where I'm at. Thank you so very much, and please share with your friends, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get all notifications, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.